What's up everyone, welcome back. And today in this video I would like to show you how to insert chart on Microsoft Word. It's pretty much easy and simple. So let's begin. So first you need to open your Microsoft Word. After that you need to go insert option. There you can see, just click it. Okay. After that, if you want to add chart, for that there have option chart, just click it. And now you can see there have a lot of template, there have a lot of format. You can select from here XY, map, stock, box and square. You need to select. Okay, after select your chart, then click on OK. Now there you can see it's already added here. So now you can change it or edit it for yourself. There have an option. So guys, in this way you can add or you can edit and you can add a chart on Microsoft Word very easily. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.